So now that we have changed the title of our document to portfolio, we want to install Bootstrap into our project. And there are two ways that we can install Bootstrap to our project. Either you install the file itself into your project folder, or you add CDN links. So what you do is you go to your browser, go to getbootstrap.com, and scroll down. You're going to find these two tabs here. The first one is just for you to include these codes in your terminal, and the file will be installed directly to your project folder. But in today's lesson, we're going to be adding CDN links. If you look at this code here, you're going to discover that it is a CSS link tag. So we're going to take the CSS link tag and go back to our VS Code and just include it somewhere inside the head tag. So we can choose to put it here or anywhere as long as it's inside the head tag. So we'll do Ctrl V, and then for the JS file, just below, we copy the code of the script tag and we place it just below the closing body tag. If you have done this, you're now ready to code or write your codes using Bootstrap to create responsive websites. So all of our codes will be written here inside the body tag. So let's get going. The next thing you have to do is you are going to use Bootstrap documentation. So there are already pre-written codes that you can use that are responsive across all devices, including mobile. So let's go to get bootstrap/doc/5.3 components navbar, or you simply just stay on the website and go to docs. Here, docs, click on docs. When you click on docs, you can use the search bar here to look for navbar. Yeah, so we're going to be using pre-written codes. Right. Yeah, so there are a bunch of codes that have been pre-written. So we are going to copy the HTML, and then we make some modifications to it. If you have done this much, I want you to add a comment in the comment section or ask me questions on the group chat. So I'm going to go inside the body tag and Ctrl V. Now you have a full navbar that is responsive across devices. Let me release the ports here, and like I said, you can install 𝗨𝗏𝗧 so that you can just easily see what you are working on. So how do you install the 𝗨𝗏𝗧? Just go to extensions here in your VS Code and search for 𝗨𝗏𝗧. So I think I already have mine installed, that's why I can. Okay, that's it. So you click on this extension by 𝗏𝗏𝗃, and then you install it. For mine's already installed, that's why I have this. So after installing the 𝗨𝗏𝗧, you can be able to deploy a website easily and view whatever you have coded in your browser. So let's go back to the HTML file and let's go live. So it automatically takes you to the page. Now you can see that we have an entire navbar complete with all the pre-written codes, and you can see that it is responsive. Try to reduce the screen, and you have a hamburger menu item showing up. I would also like you to know that there are tools in your browser that you can use when you are developing or coding. So you can just use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+I to pull up your developer tools. So to check for responsiveness, let's see a font screen size. You can see that it's responsive. So if you have done this much, leave a comment in the comment section, and you can ask me questions on the group chat. See you in the next lesson. Bye.